Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So we have kit number 84057. This is from around 2009. So it's a Porsche 934. It's a 112. These are a very limited edition. They should come with a card with the edition number on. They do come with two types of body shells. So it's a 112 on the Tamtec kit. Believe this one's got laid down shocks, but I think they're friction shocks. I don't think they're oil. Not sure if it's a ball diff on these as well. They do come with a polycarb body and a hard body, and it should have a Porsche bag in the box. So let's bring in for a close-up look and see what we get. So I know people are going to be screaming at me because you can obviously see the condition of this box, and they're going to be saying don't open it, leave it all sealed. But to be totally honest, for me, I think same with the sort of cars and motorbikes, classic vehicles. If you're not ever going to open it and have a look at it, what's the point of it being? But we do get the limited edition plaque, which is nice to see that that's intact. We do get the Porsche bag. You can open this and the entire box and everything does fit inside it. So it was designed to carry this thing home. Now the hard body is a proper scale Porsche, and this was part of a proper kit that you had to build. Not an RC kit, but they decided to make it so it fitted on this. So we do get the little wing all in separate pieces. We get the obligatory antenna straw. So if we look through this, we've got more hard plastic parts. A few little gears, a lot of chrome parts, so it's got all the light buckets and everything with it. But there is two body shells worth of mirrors and everything in these kits. We then get what look like side parts of the RC. Then we've got the polycarb body with all the actual parts in. So we've got the chrome wheels, we've got lots of sort of detailed bits for the actual hard body, and the rest of the car parts are inside it. We do get the hubs and everything. And then in the bottom of the box we get all the hard plastic windows, the lenses. So nice to see that they're all in. We get the, I believe this is the chassis, so it's a really weird type battery that you need to fit in this. But nice to see none of these are damaged. Then there's all the hard parts, bonnet, doors. So there to make up the hard body. There's then even more detailed bits, the grills, looks like the radiator mesh, the actual driver itself, even the tiny wipers, so they're all intact. And we finally have a few more little parts. So we've got shock mounts and everything on here. We've got the battery cover, possibly more shock mounts, and just some more plastic bits. But as I say, yeah, it's a limited edition kit, and I always do like to have a look at these things, and now I can't remember which way it went back together. So let's see if I can successfully get this kit back in its box. But yeah, as I say, I know they're a limited edition numbered kit, and I know a lot of people are going to be screaming saying you shouldn't even take it out the box. But ultimately, I really like RCs, and I do know a guy that could do a really, really nice spray job on this. So it's not like it'd be totally ruined if I actually get the hard body built up. But just thought I'd give you a quick look at a kit from 2009. Don't worry, I will get it back in its box properly. But let's wrap this one up. So there we have it, the Tamiya Porsche 934 black body from 2009, 1/12 scale kit, and see, I did get it all back together properly. So it's all back in its box. Not sure as or when I'll get round to building this. I would like to get a proper nice display case for it to put it in, and I don't want it getting damaged or anything like that, but would kind of be nice to have a professionally painted hard body or lacquered over stickers and everything. And I think I know just the guy that could really do it some justice. But thanks again for watching WTF Rc Cars. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.